Hi everyone, this is Jim with YouTube user Julien Elevators, and today you're going to be seeing a behind the scenes view of an Otis Gen3 MRL traction elevator, which is located in a building that was under construction at the time I was filming. And this is all thanks to Otis Elevator for this invitation. Anyways, please remember, never ever ever trespass in the buildings you are not supposed to be in without authorization and full proper clearance. So, with that being said, you guys still remember the 3 famous words I haven't used in such a long time, right? You know what time it is. It's Otis time! Yay! Alright, this is a view inside of an elevator shaft on a brand new Otis Gen3 elevator. And you can see these are your steel belts, and I assume they're 2-to-1 because they go like this and goes all the way up there and kind of like that. Is that your shiv right there, if I'm not mistaken?
Yes, sir.
Elevator car number 5, and is that your door operator?
Yes, sir. So right here. That's just the cabinet where your.
Oh, okay.
That's just where your drop is to your COP.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see that. And this right here is your Cartop station. You got a plug, your Cartop inspection switch.
Yes, sir. And then you can see there's your final limit up there. If you look on the rail right there, that limit sticking off the rail.
Oh, which one?
Right there, see that limit sticking off the rail? That's your final limit. So if you go up on that, that breaks your safety circuit. So then the car shuts down. So it can't overspeed into the top of the hoistway. Hit switch. See, there's a cam off the side of your car. And when it hits that, that shuts down your car because it breaks your safety circuit.
Okay, yeah, I actually have a final limit switch almost exactly like this one at home in my collection. And that up there is your Gen 3 machine. That's your drive machine right there. I've actually seen that on an Otis Gen 2 elevator.
Yeah, we used to call them G2Os, now we call them Gen 3 Peaks.
Look at one last view of this, and with that being said, I got a special surprise coming in soon. Oh, and by the way, sorry about the continuous beeping during this trip. If you're too annoyed, you can go ahead and either click off the video or turn down your volume. Thank you.
lucky. Conversation, well, I mean, look, they might have this time. I would give them a hard time on it just to make it sure.
Yeah, they finally put the lock over the disconnect. They finally gave it a lock. I said that's not what I was really
Look at what it meant.
But
What these instructions do on the table.
and Aaron and then tried to throw me under the bus. Aaron's like, it never fails. And he was like, Trey said, I was working for almost 10 years now. Roar would never tell you in the overhead that you didn't need an EFCI.
You gotta have just got any knowledge of what is related period. There ain't no straight up what's allowed anywhere. That's the landing that it's at. That's where your position of your car is. See right there at the top where it says car position?
Yeah, because what I've noticed, like when it moves, it started changing like 1, 3, 4, 9, 10 something. I wonder, I don't know if that's like the speed level or the floor.
So that's the floor count. This is the speed right here, but then it'll actually show the number like 2.5, and that's the actual speed of the car that this car is running.
Meters per second.
Yep.
Yeah, I can actually see what this does when this lights up, that means it's going up.
Yep.
And when this lights up, that means it's going down. I've actually seen that on another elevator system exactly like this.
Yes, sir.
So this is your main controller.
Okay.
This is your regen drive.
Yep, I just saw the regen system, and I think the clicking came from inside that box right there, if I'm not mistaken.
Yep.
And this is just all the terminal blocks and connections.
So that's your processing board, and that just pretty much controls everything. And then there's your contacts down there.
I see that Otis tag right there.
Yes, sir. So those are jumpers that are still in for when we get a controller that's jumping out your fire service until they're completely inspected. Yeah, because that's where your 480's at.